Energize your workout, essential warm-up exercises. Starting your workout with a proper warm-up is like opening a book to the first chapter before diving into the adventure. It's the beginning that sets the stage for everything that follows. Warm-up exercises are essential not just to awaken your muscles but to pump your heart slightly faster, preparing your body for the workout ahead. They increase blood flow, reducing the risk of injury and improving performance. Let's begin with arm circles. Extend your arms to the sides and slowly rotate them in a circular motion. This movement warms up the shoulders, arms, and back, gearing you up for any upper body exercise. Next, we transition to leg swings. Hold onto something steady and swing one leg forward and back. This exercise loosens up the hip and leg muscles, making it easier to perform squats or lunges later on. Don't forget about the torso. Simple twists from side to side can greatly improve your spine's flexibility and mobility, essential for exercises that involve turning or bending. Jogging in place is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and your blood pumping throughout your body. It's a simple move that prepares both your mind and body for a more intense workout. Incorporating dynamic stretches such as lunges with a twist further prepares your body, enhancing your range of motion and flexibility. This kind of movement is crucial for a comprehensive warm-up routine. As we wrap up the warm-up, finishing with some high knees will ensure that your body is fully prepped. This exercise boosts your heart rate, readying you for the intensity of the workout ahead. Remember, a good warm-up can significantly enhance your workout, making it more effective and safe. Treat it as the foundation upon which your exercise routine is built, ensuring a better, healthier you.